Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Ultra HD Mega Storage Cabinet by Seville Classics. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention real quick too, I found a pretty good deal on this cabinet. I'll put a link to that in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So Seville Classics, if you're not familiar with them, are really kind of famous for these storage cabinets they make. The Ultra HD Mega Storage Cabinet is their biggest, most heavy-duty one. And I guess if you want the short version of this review, I really like this thing. It's built like an absolute tank. It's super heavy-duty, and it works very well for what it's intended to do. It's pretty big. Stores a lot of stuff. The shelf dimensions are 22 inches by 48 inches wide, and you get 4 of them that you can adjust to whatever you want to put inside. There's slats about every inch and a half that you can adjust the cabinets on, whatever, like I said, to fit whatever you're putting inside. 100% stainless steel doors with a very heavy duty lock on them. They look really nice. They look very professional, very heavy duty commercial grade. They feel that way too. Nice solid closure on them as well. I was really surprised about this. I thought it was going to kind of be feel and look cheaper than what I expected, but I was actually surprised. It was much nicer than I had expected. Great for garages, storerooms, anything like that. Basically anywhere you want to store something in a heavy-duty fashion. Now this one does not have casters on the bottom for wheels, so it can't be rolled around. I mean, I guess you could slide it around depending on the weight of the stuff that you have inside of it, but it is really not made to be moved around. It's pretty big to be doing something like that. But yeah, like I said, super solid. Very high quality, highly recommended if you're looking for a really good storage cabinet that'll hold a lot of stuff. Looks really sharp. Anyway, yeah, if you have any more questions about it or anything, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.